Hey everyone, today we are learning the first basic stitch, which is called a single crochet. So we're going to start in our second chain from the hook that we just made. We're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, and then pull through both of those loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull up that loop, so you have two, yarn over, pull through both loops. And that's a single crochet. And so we are just going to do that all the way down this chain. And then once we get to our last chain, we're going to do the same. Through, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through both loops. And what I like to do is do a chain one right there. And here's your finished first row of single crochets. And then we're just going to turn it and go back down the other way. So we're going to start in that last single crochet we just made and keep on keeping on. So insert into the stitch, pull up a loop, two loops, yarn over, pull through both loops. And the reason I like to do a chain one at the end of each row is it makes a nice finished edge. Not every pattern will call for that, so just be sure to read your pattern and do what it says and it'll come out looking nice. But the chain one just gives you a nice jumping off point for when you make your next stitch on the row. All right, and then now you will have 2 rows of single crochet. Thanks for watching.